Let's talk about distressed properties. A distressed property can mean different things to different people, but typically there's essentially three types of distress. There's financial distress. A financial distress might be a pre-foreclosure due to falling behind on the mortgage. It could also be a tax lien or a tax deed situation or some kind of a tax delinquency. There can be various other financial sources of distress. Another source of distress is physical distress. That's when a property needs work. It's run down and the owner doesn't have the money or time, or both to fix it up. They need to move for whatever reason, but just can't get the property in condition to sell, so they need help. The third type of distress is a little more subtle in that it's an emotional distress. Maybe they inherited the property and they don't want it anymore because it's across the country. Maybe it was a rental property and they've had a hard time managing the property because they didn't really know how. So there may be all sorts of negative feelings about the property. There can be all kinds of emotional problems when there is a divorce or bankruptcy happening. All three of these types of distress can fold or blend into one another. Emotional distress could cause financial distress, which could cause physical distress. So again, these are the three basic things that people are talking about when they talk about a distressed property. Regardless of how we're looking for a property, whether it's on the MLS or we're looking with an online program or any other means, we're trying to find these distressed properties. Life happens and we need to have the mindset that we help people. We're there to solve those problems for them. We're not there to take advantage of them, we're there to help solve their real estate ownership problem. In many cases, selling us their house at a fair price solves their problem, and of course, it helps us too.